Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a homemade hummus dip for chips, and you can also use it at the side with something like fish if you like salmon or anything like that. So I am going to begin. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to wash the cans. That because it's deep, and I'm just gonna run some water on my hand mixer. Okay, just to sanitize it a bit. Okay, great. So let's get started. I'm gonna just put in some mixed Greek olives aside because I'm gonna use this in the hummus. Not a whole lot, just something to give it a little Mediterranean flavor because I really love olives. Okay, and these are seedless olives. So just cover that back up. So I'm gonna wash some lemons, so we're gonna just put some lemon juice in our dip just to give it that nice tangy flavor. Just gonna cut it in half. Nice juicy lemon. So I'm gonna open up cans of garbanzo beans. Okay, so this was a little work there. I had to put in a little work there to get these open. All right, finally. Okay, so I have two different kinds here. They're actually the same brand, but one is a regular salt. I don't take a whole lot of salt. And one, as you can see, is low sodium. So usually hummus is a bit stiff when you blend it, so I am just going to leave the one with the low sodium. I'm going to leave some liquid to just make it easier to blend. All right. So I'm going to pour garbanzo beans or chickpeas, as some of us call it. All of that stuff, all that good stuff. And I am gonna blend. I'm using this mug because it's pretty deep and it won't make a whole lot of mess. If it's something shallow, it will. So I'm gonna blend. See, just like I said, the garbanzo beans are pretty stiff. But then for the dip, we don't want it to be too rough. We want to get a nice base, nice consistency. And it does have a pretty nice consistency. You want to make sure you get it all around. And you want to make sure that it's smooth. flavor this hummus. I'm going to start by putting in some seasoning, some homemade green seasoning. Maybe I should put it here so I don't make a mess. And I have some Mediterranean Greek olives. And I have some homemade pimento. And I'm just going to put in a little bit of lemon just for a little zang, because I'm a tangy woman. I love stuff with a little zang in it. And I am going to blend this. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to put the dip in a bowl. I'm just going to scrape out all that good stuff. Okay, so we're just going to take this all off. And what I'm going to do is to add some salt-free seasoning. It's like a no salt. It has like a little tangy. There's that word again, tangy. Lemon flavor. And I'm going to add some olive oil just to give it a smooth texturizing effect. Just for easy digestion. So I'm going to mix that olive oil nicely into the dip. Doesn't that look good? Can't wait to try that. I know the kids are going to finish this in like a few hours. I bet it's like that at your house too. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in. The bowl. So I'm just gonna set our chips there. A little more. And there we go. It's ready for party time, entertaining, the barbecue, the hungry kids, and there we go. Usually what I like to do a lot too, on mine, I would like to take sometimes a bit of fruit, if it's peach or something a little sweet that mixes with the tangy, and the flavors, the cross flavor is really, really good. It gives it like a really exciting pop, and I love it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this homemade hummus dish. Homemade, beautiful, sexy hummus dish. I'll see you next time.